Hi, I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make broccoli apple slaw. It's simple. You're gonna have it ready under 10 minutes and you need broccoli, apple, red onion, little parsley, little dried cranberries, and any kind of nuts that you like or you find in your pantry. If you don't like it, you don't have to add it all. I like to add sometimes pine nuts, sometimes walnuts or almonds, whatever I find in my pantry. So very simple. We are going to slice them thinly, just like that. Thin slices, and put them in a bowl. It's actually pretty good second day too. I don't like eating salads next day, but this one absorbs, because they are pretty rough, broccoli is rough, it absorbs the flavor from apple cider vinegar and olive oil. I'm gonna add a little lime too this time, just because I have it. You can add lemon juice if you have it. It's a little messy, but it's okay. I like to use green apple for this recipe because it's a little tart and it's a good combination with broccoli. Gonna do the dressing. I just put here a little bit of apple cider vinegar, about quarter cup, and olive oil from my olive oil club, and I'm gonna add half lime juice. I keep saying lemon for lime, but I'm gonna say lime this time. Alright, that's perfect. And a little black pepper. And salt, and I'm going to add these dried cranberries in my bowl. Alright, put the lid on and shake a little bit. I just like to add dressing like that because it kind of incorporates better. And just pour it over. That's it. It's done. Probably had to use bigger bowl, but I will try to stir it without throwing things all over. So this was our broccoli apple slaw. It was very simple. We made it under 10 minutes. If you like this episode, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next week.